Adding another chart in TradingView can be helpful for comparing assets and analyzing multiple time frames. You can do it in simple steps. All you need to do is first open the app. You can log in with your credentials. Remember, it should be very private. Do not share it because it's financial account. Now, what you need to do is go to the page, simply see on the screen how it looks like. Just simply open the chart. Now select the layout button on the right top toolbar. You can see on the screen with the red lines. I've highlighted it. Select one of the available layouts. You can select the layout 2, 3, 4, 5. There's multiple layouts. It's totally up to you how you want to see your trading chart view. Just select one of them and just click them. After selecting the layout, you'll be able to see all the crazy AI view, all the crazy chart views and stuff with the TradingView platform. And that's so simple in the step. So I'll see you in the next one.